how to use asterisk args and double asterisks kwargs in Python. So what does asterisk args do in Python? So asterisk args, when it's in a function or method definition, it packs positional arguments into tuple. And when it is in a function or method call, it unpacks tuple into positional arguments. How about kwargs? So double asterisks kwargs, when it's in a function or method definition, it packs keyword arguments into a dictionary. And when it is in a function or method call, it unpacks a dictionary into keyword arguments. Okay, so let's look at a example. So I got Netmiko, so I'm importing connect handler, the factory function from the Netmiko library, and I got this dictionary called device. In here I got a function called run commands, and I am passing in asterisks args and double asterisks kwargs inside the function and colon, and this is the block of the code, right? And here I got tuple of commands. So this is the list of or tuple of commands, right? So show version, show clock, show IP interface brief. In here I got a dictionary called options. So this is the keyword, this is the key, and this is the value, and this is the key, and this is the value. So dictionary is enclosed by the curly braces. And I got two calls here, which are basically the same. So I'm calling the function, run commands using these arguments. So specifically positional arguments and keyword arguments. Okay, so first let's look at a asterisk args in a function or method definition. So it says it packs positional arguments into tuple, right? So here, let's look at this example. So this is the tuple of commands, right? All these here, show version, show clock, and show IP interface brief. So if we run this code, we should see the list of or tuple of positional arguments, which I'm doing here. I'm printing args, right? And here I'm printing kwargs. So here, these two keywords parameters or keyword arguments will be packed into a dictionary based on this definition here. And again, these tuples will be packed into a tuple, okay? Because that happens inside the function definition, right? Inside this line, basically this. So if I run this code, which will give us the output of these CLI commands, right? Let me go ahead and do it. Python args and kwargs. So that's the file name. So here we see, so it just failed to log in, but we can see that this is the, going back, this is the positional arguments, right? This is a tuple, and this is now a dictionary. So this definition is correct, and this definition is correct. So we got a tuple of commands, and we got a dictionary. Okay, so let's look at the how args and kwargs act when you call a function or method. So here, I'm going to comment this out and uncomment this line here. So we got a similar to args, right? And similar to kwargs. So the names do not matter here. So if I run this code, this will basically be implemented, right? So it will, so basically the commands, asterisk commands, it will unpack a tuple into positional arguments, and then the asterisk, double asterisks options, it will unpack a dictionary into keyword arguments. Okay, so again, when args and kwargs are inside a call, they unpack the tuple and dictionary into arguments. So hopefully that makes sense. And here I showed earlier that this became a tuple of commands and this became a dictionary. And here we are, so this is inside a call, method call. So basically when it's inside a method call, it will unpack the dictionary. So the dictionary is the device, right, into keyword arguments. And this here is the same. So it will also unpack the dictionary. So in this case, the double asterisk options, which becomes kwargs. So again, the name does not matter. So this will be unpacked into a dictionary. It will unpack the dictionary into keyword arguments. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So let me go ahead and run this code again. Hopefully the authentication will work this time. Looks like it's gonna work. Yeah, so now we are seeing the show version command, and then we see show clock and show in IP interface brief. And we also see the list of commands or tuple of commands, and we see the dictionary of keyword arguments. All right, so again, when args and kwargs are inside a method call or function call, right, they unpack the tuple and dictionary into keyword arguments. So that's what's happening here, right? And if they are inside a function or method definition, it packs them. So the args packs the positional arguments into tuple, and kwargs packs the keyword arguments into a dictionary. All right, so that's how you can use args and kwargs in Python. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.